Now that we have an affiliate product to promote in our funnel, what we're going to do is we're going to take parts of the sales page of that affiliate product and copy it onto our squeeze page so that we have a consistent theme. So what I'm going to do here is on the sales page of this affiliate product, I'm going to copy the headline, the pre-headline, and I'm also going to take some of these screenshots of how much money have been earned. Okay, so here is the squeeze page that I've quickly created. For this squeeze page I use ClickFunnels, which is a great tool that I highly recommend. If you cannot afford it, there are many other cheap tools online, and you could even create a squeeze page for free. But for this example, I'm using ClickFunnels, and I was able to create it in a few minutes. I copied and pasted the headlines. As you can see here, there's an opt-in form here already, and I've pasted on the text where it says, look how much money we're making with the profiteer system, and I've put the images of the earnings on the bottom. Okay, so when somebody opts in here, they're going to be brought to a page called the bridge page. Okay, so it's going to say, thanks for signing up, John Smith here, or whatever your name is. It says, I look forward to helping you in your online journey. If you have any questions, you can reach me at, insert your email address here. And it says, in the meantime, make sure to sign up for my Facebook mastermind group so I can personally help you better. And here is a link to the Facebook mastermind group. Now, this is completely optional, but the advantage of having a Facebook mastermind group is that your subscribers will get to know you better and they'll be able to engage better. And as a result of that, when you promote affiliate products to them in the future, they're more likely to click on your emails and click on your links. Okay, but again, this is optional, and if you don't want to do a Facebook mastermind group, you could do something else similar to that. For example, if you have a blog, you could say check out my blog or check out my blog post on this, and so on. Okay, and on the bottom of this, again, I pasted the headlines of the sales page. Okay, it says bank and effortless $150 per day. And here I have a button to click to continue. So there's a link here. It's my affiliate link. So when people click on this, they'll be brought to the official sales page of the affiliate product. And if they do buy, I will get commissions. Okay, and again, if you keep scrolling down, again, I pasted parts of the sales page here, and again, there's a button here. Click here to continue, and if you click on that, it will direct them to the affiliate product.